Stars Learning TV. What is tooth decay? Let's imagine your tooth is like a shiny, strong castle. But sometimes tiny invisible monsters called bacteria sneak in. These bacteria love to munch on sugary food like candy, chocolates, cakes, and even sodas. When they eat sugar, they make something called acid. And guess what? This acid is like a secret weapon that attacks your teeth. It slowly makes holes in your teeth. These holes are called cavities. This whole process is called tooth decay. How does tooth decay happen? Step 1. You eat something sweet like a lollipop. Step 2. The bacteria in your mouth say, "Yay, sugar party," and start eating it too. Step 3. These bacteria produce acid which start attacking the tooth's hard outer layer called enamel. If this keeps happening, the enamel gets weaker and weaker. And suddenly, oops, a cavity appears. Causes of tooth decay. Sugary foods and drinks. Cupcakes, candies, juice, sodas, and even sticky snacks. These all can cause tooth decay. Not brushing properly. If you don't brush your teeth twice a day, bacteria stay and throw acid parties all night long. Skipping dental checkups. Dentists are superheroes for your teeth. Skipping visits means cavities can hide longer. Dry mouth. Sometimes, if your mouth doesn't make enough saliva, your teeth can't clean themselves naturally. Snacking too often. Snacking all the day gives bacteria more sugar to munch on. Signs of tooth decay. Toothache or pain. Sensitivity to hot, cold, or sweet foods. Black, brown, or white spots on your teeth. Bad breath that doesn't go away. Holes in your teeth that you can feel with your tongue. Tooth loss is also a big sign of tooth decay. Treatment of tooth decay. Fluoride treatments. These are special treatments to make your teeth stronger. Dental fillings. Dentists clean out the cavity and fill the hole with a tooth-like material. Crowns. For big cavities, dentists use a crown. It's like a hat for your tooth. Root canal. If the cavity goes too deep, dentists do a root canal to save the tooth. It sounds scary, but don't worry, they make sure you don't feel pain. Prevention of tooth decay. Brush twice a day. Morning and before bed, use a soft toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Floss every day. Flossing gets between teeth where your brush can't reach. Eat healthy snacks. Crunchy fruits and veggies like apple and carrot help clean your teeth naturally. Drink water. Water washes away food bites and bacteria. Limit sugary snacks. Save sweets for special occasions and rinse after eating them. Visit your dentist twice a year. Dentists can spot trouble before it starts. Fun tooth facts. Your teeth are as strong as shark teeth. You have 20 baby teeth and 32 adult teeth.
Great job, kids. Keep practicing and singing along. See you next time.